Welcome back, racers, to another electrifying episode of InspireIgnite. We've got quite a ride in store for you today. In week 07 of the Time Trial Challenge, the stakes are high and the finish line is the gateway to a treasure trove of gold and a whopping 2 million credits. We've analyzed the track, dissected strategies, and are ready to share the secrets to help you clinch that coveted top spot. So buckle up and get ready to dominate the track. First things first. Let's grab your attention with a shocking statistic. Did you know that only 20% of racers successfully attain gold status in the Time Trial Challenge? That's right. Just 1 in 5 racers managed to reach the pinnacle of success in this competitive arena. But why is this the case? Well, the problem lies in the complex nature of the challenge. Many racers grapple with optimizing their performance, often falling short of the coveted gold rank. Whether it's navigating the labyrinth of tricky turns, maximizing speed on the straights, or managing the delicate balance between aggression and caution, the hurdles are many. Moreover, the pressure of the ticking clock adds another layer of difficulty. Every second counts, and even a minor slip-up can cost you dearly. But don't worry, we understand the challenges you face, and we're here to help you overcome them and emerge victorious. But fear not, because we've dissected every twist and turn of the track to bring you the ultimate solution. It starts with precision. Precision in your steering, your throttle control, and your braking. This isn't about simply flooring it and hoping for the best. Every millisecond counts, and every movement must be calculated. Next up, strategy. Knowing the track is half the battle, identify the fastest lines, the trickiest corners, and the optimum points for braking and accelerating. Make the track your second home. Get to know it like the back of your hand. Finally, efficiency. Efficient racing is smart racing. This is about optimizing your route, making the most of slipstreams, and minimizing time spent off the track. Remember, a race isn't won in a single lap, but over the course of many. So there you have it: precision, strategy, and efficiency. 3 key elements that, when combined, create a winning formula. This isn't a quick fix or a shortcut to success. It's a methodical approach that requires practice, dedication, and a willingness to learn. But the payoff is worth it. The thrill of securing gold, the satisfaction of beating your personal best, and the sweet, sweet reward of 2 million credits. So get out there, apply these strategies, and start making your mark on the Time Trial Challenge. It all boils down to mastering 3 key elements: precision, strategy, and efficiency. But don't just take our word for it. Let's take a look at some real-world proof. Meet Sarah, a dedicated racer who was once stuck in the ranks, just like many of you might be. She was determined to get ahead, and that's when she decided to try our strategy. With precision, she navigated those tricky turns. With strategy, she planned her path, knowing when to accelerate and when to brake. With efficiency, she maximized her speed, ensuring not a second was wasted. And guess what? Sarah didn't just clinch gold, she shattered the competition. Her reward, a staggering 2 million credits. Now, this wasn't a stroke of luck. It was the result of diligent practice and the application of our expert advice. Sarah did it, and so can you. Now it's your turn. Head to the track armed with our tips and watch as you soar to victory. That wraps up today's episode of InspireIgnite. We've journeyed together through week 07 of the Time Trial Challenge, unmasking the secrets of achieving gold and earning a staggering 2 million credits. It's all about precision, strategy, and efficiency. And remember, even the most daunting of turns can be conquered with practice and perseverance. Just like Sarah, you too can shatter the competition. Take these tips, internalize them, and make them part of your racing routine. We're confident that with these strategies, you'll soon be dominating the leaderboards. But the journey doesn't end here. We'd love to hear about your victories, your triumphs on the track. So don't be shy, share your success stories with us. And of course, if you found this video helpful, show us some love. Hit that like button, subscribe for more strategy-packed content, and join us as we continue to conquer the racing world. Until next time, keep racing and keep winning.